Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Drive app. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's get started. Open up the Google Drive here in your mobile phone, and here you can see different options on your mobile phones and my uploaded files. Here you can see four shortcut bars at the very bottom. If I click on home, here you can see my uploaded files. If I tap on shared, and these are all of the files that I have shared to someone else. These are the files that I have uploaded to my account. If I wanted to upload one of my photos, I can just simply tap on that plus icon, and here you can see the upload icon, and select one of the files that you want to select, and then simply tap on that photo, and that photo will be uploaded. So also, if you want to create the folder, here you can select the options and tap right here, select the name wherever you want to, and just tap right here on the create, and that will create your folder. Now